Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to add admin on your Facebook page. So here I have my Facebook page, and then in order for me to add admin, kindly click the picture on your right side, your profile picture here, and then kindly scroll down and then click settings and privacy and then click settings. After that, kindly scroll down. Then look for page setup here. And then here you'll see page access. Invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. Click that. And then if you want to add new people to access your page, you can click add new. And then you have Facebook access means. So any action you take as this page, including on ads or anything, they can manage it as well. So next, after that, you can search by name. So let's say I want to add people. So let's say, yan, you can look for a Facebook friend that you want to add. And then after that, let's click. And then you have now the option. You can also have this, allow this person to also have full control. If you want that, click this. Or if not, you can just turn it off. And then once done, you may now click this give access, and then the people that you invite is already now an admin as well of your Facebook page. So that's it for today.